Hello everyone, this is Marf Murtaza here, back again with another video. Today I'm gonna break another machine from TryHackMe. So the machine I'm gonna break today is Bolt. This is a pretty basic machine like RootMe. Actually it's a lot easier than RootMe. You will get to understand this when we finish solving this. Uh, to break into this machine, I'm gonna use my personal PC. So I have to connect my machine to TryHackMe server. I've already did that. As you can see, I'm connected. You can use your personal machine like me, or use their attack box if you wish. So I have already deployed the machine, as you can see here, and we got the IP. Okay, let's move on to our tasks. It says deploy the machine. As I have deployed, I have clicked complete here. Let's move on to the task 2. Okay. Okay, it says once you have successfully deployed the machine, enumerate it before finding the flag in the machine. Okay, we need to enumerate this machine, so we need to perform a scan on it. Let's run nmap scan on it. I've already created directories to store important files for this walkthrough, and a minute. Okay, let's perform this nmap scan. We need to wait some time to get the result. It's 52% done. 60. Okay. It's service. Okay, 33, 66. It's taking too long. Actually, my internet is a bit slow. So, okay. Here we have our scan result. As we can see, we have 3 ports open on our target machine. Port 22, it's running SSH service. Port 80, it's running HTTP, and port 8000, it's running HTTP. So we have 2 HTTP. Okay. Let's look into the machine in port 80 first. Okay, it's a default Apache page. Let's look into the port 8000. Okay, here we have a website. It says Bolt, a hero is unleashed, as same as the our TryHackMe room title and its tagline. Okay, here we have I can see 2 posts here. One is message for IT department. It says, hey guys, I suppose this is our secret forum, right? I posted my first message for our readers today, but there seems to be a lot of free space out there. Please check it out. My password is boltadmin123, just in case you need it. Okay, regards Jake admin. Okay, as we can see here, the website is run by someone named Jake, and his password is boltadmin123. Okay, let's move on to the next post. It says, hello everyone, welcome to this site. Myself Jake and my username is Bolt. Okay, as we can see, it's the admin. He's the admin, Jake, and the username for Jake is Bolt. Okay, let's carry on. I'm still new to this CMS, so it can take a while for me to get used to this CMS, but believe me, I have some great content upcoming up for you all requesting. Okay, we have a username and a password for the username. As we have this credential, uh, let's look if we have another more credentials or not. Here it says this website is built with Bolt. Uh, uh, as we can see in our task, what is the username we can find in the CMS? That means the CMS name is Bolt. Okay, it's a CMS. Uh, okay, let's search about Bolt CMS. Bolt CMS. As we have got uh, credentials for admin account, so we need to look for the login panel. So I'm searching for Bolt CMS. Okay, login page here. Okay, docs.boltcms, login Bolt CMS, jump to docs, user manual, go to the login page at yourdomain.com Bolt. Okay, it says the login panel is in Bolt directory. Let's check it out. Bolt. Okay, here we go. We have a login panel. So, okay, let's search our input our username Bolt, and here the password. The password was boltadmin123. Boltadmin123. Okay. Okay, so let's answer these questions. What port number has a web server with a CMS run? Okay, the port number is 8000. Okay, what is the username we can find in the CMS? It's Bolt. Okay, what is the password we can find for the username? It's boltadmin123. Boltadmin123. Okay, what version of CMS is installed on the server? Let's check it out. Okay, it's not this. Any version info? Okay, here. Bold, sophisticated, lightweight, and simple CMS version 3.7.1. Okay, we have got the answer for this. It's a bold 3.7.1. Okay. Okay, the next one says there's an exploit for a previous version of this CMS which allows authenticated RCE. Find it on exploit.db. What's its EDB ID? Okay, it says that our target have authenticated RCE on it. Those who you don't know what is RCE, I'm gonna give you a short introductory about RCE. Actually, RCE is a pretty large topic, but a short introductory to RCE is RCE is such a vulnerability that gives an attacker the access of a machine and freedom to make changes into it. You will get to understand this a bit more when we will get into the machine. So wait till then. But if you are super interested to know about this, then you can pause this video here and Google for it right now. You will find a lot of information about RCE in Google. Okay, let's move on to our challenge. uh, okay, as it says, we have RCA and it says us to find it on exploit. Okay, let's move on to exploit.db. Exploit.db is actually a database for exploits. You can find uh, exploits here. I'm gonna search for bolt CMS. Okay. Okay, here we can see bolt CMS 3.7.0 authenticated RCE. I mean remote code execution. Let's hop into it. Okay, the EDB ID for this exploit is 48,296. Let's copy it and paste it here. Paste it here. What's this EDB ID? Okay. Okay, it says Metasploit recently added an exploit module for this vulnerability. What's the full path for this exploit? Okay, that says how we can use this exploit with Metasploit. So let's try. I'm gonna clear the terminal. Okay, so let's run Metasploit msf console. It will take a few seconds. Okay, here we have Metasploit. Okay, let's search for the module. Search bolt CMS. Okay, as you can see here we have two modules. One is for file upload vulnerability and another one is authenticated RCE. We need this RCE, so we need to use this. Okay, let's check the questions. Okay, if you can find the exploit module, it's most likely because okay, it asks us for the path of the exploit. Okay, here's the path for the exploit. Let's copy and paste it there. Okay. Okay, then we need to set lhost, lport, rhost, username, password in MSF console before running the exploit. Okay, let's set these things up, but before setting this up, we need to choose the module. So it says interact with the module by name or index. For example, info1, use1, or use exploit Unix / web app port authenticated RC. Okay, I'm gonna use the second module, so the index for second module is 1, so use 1. Okay, here we have the module. Okay, let's set the our host. Our host is our target IP, so let's take. Okay, then it says us to set lhost. Lhost is our virtual IP, so my virtual IP is 10.70.12.4. 10.70.12.4. Let's set our lport. I'm gonna use the port 10,000. Okay. Okay, then it says us to set username and password. The username we got is bolt, so let's input it here. Username, it was bolt, and let's set the password. Password is bolt admin 123. Okay, do we need to say something else? No, we're good to go. Okay, we have already did that. Okay, let's run the exploit. Exploit. Okay, we have made a mistake. We typed use name instead of username. Said username bolt. Okay, let's exploit again. Okay, it's exploiting. As you can see, the target is vulnerable. Attempting to execute the payload. I guess we got a shell here. Let's check. Who am I? Boom, we're root. Okay, we have got the root permission for the machine. Now we have to look for the flag. Actual flag file. It's flag.txt. Let's find it. Find slash dash name flag.txt. Let's do slash dev slash null. Okay. Sorry. It's dev slash null. Okay, here the two greater than slash dev slash null. I'm using this actually. The two is the standard error set for Linux machines. So what is it's gonna do is if this command finds any error, then it will send these errors to dev slash null, and basically it's not gonna send the errors in our terminal, rather it's gonna send these errors to dev slash null. Okay, as you can see, we have got the flags path. Let's cat it out. Let's cat slash home slash flag dot txt. Oh, sorry, I have made a mistake. It's flag. I wrote it's felg. Okay, flag slash home slash flag dot txt. Okay, here is our flag. Let's copy and paste. Okay, congratulations, we have completed the machine. It was very easy, as I said. So as you have seen, it was very easy and a very beginner friendly machine. So try it out if you are a beginner. If you find any problem, let me know in the comment section below, and if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So goodbye for now, see you soon with another video.